Alright, so let me see. We got the engine apart here. We got the discombobulator with the discombobulator. Then I discombobulated the two and it took off ye over yonder to get to ye number 2 spark plug, which is towards the back of the engine. Very inconvenient for me. But guess what? I got that out of there with the spark plug, and I got the back coil pack right here. It's kind of broke, as you can see. It don't have the diggle-bop-the-root to get the electricity there to the thing there. So had to take that out of there and had to get that sparkulator. The sparkulator wasn't sparking correctly, causing a misfire. So now we'll go round down to the new O'Reilly and get the new sparkulator so you can go bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum.